So the Z-Space products are 3D display with head tracking and stylus integration. The stylus allows you full movement within the 3D space through 6 degrees of freedom tracking. It means that you can create and control very complex tasks without any training whatsoever. Things that you'd never be able to accomplish with a keyboard and mouse without full training. The benefits of the device are certainly to engage with any type of client because of its ease of use and the almost transparency of the hardware. It feels natural to use for anybody. We've had a lot of clients using it for varied projects, but certainly at the moment the military are using it heavily for satellite data viewing, and then we've also got clients using it for training simulators. This augmented reality was created for a pharmaceutical client who wanted to portray the mode of action on a virtual patient. You could enter into the virtual patient and select various organs, and it would show the effects of that drug on those organs. In the sense of how it was presented, we had a physical hospital table on site in the exhibition centre, and used as a really compelling visual stimulus. So the experience when delivered for the client had basically a single person 5D simulator. So it had 3D visuals through a head-mounted display. You were on a motion platform, so as you selected your flight, it would tilt you to the left and right, and then dump you forward as you accelerated down cliff faces, and tilt you back as you pulled up. And then we had DMX-controlled wind effects and things like that to really engage you. So this augmented reality piece was developed for Zaha Hadid Architects, who created this building for a museum in Michigan State. They wanted to express various different levels of detail about the project. So first of all, bringing the terrain to life, so we can look around the three-dimensional scene with the building in shot. Obviously, the slider here is controlling the time of day, and then we get a little bit further into the depths and the key benefits of the installation. So this design's feature allowed airflow to be directed away from the entrance of the building, and to express that in a very simple graphical fashion was very simple, using the combination of augmented reality and physical model. We then can look at holographic effects, so internal effects within the building, such as the utilities, as well as floor plans and layouts. One of the final things was to include a large terrain map around the area, so you can get a sense of reference to other services, and it was used to engage with interested parties in both community and for the proposal of the museum.
Could you just explain about the background on the table?
Inition is currently using complex marker sets with a non-repetitive pattern, so that we can get very close to the scene and look at individual features instead of having to see the entire marker. The iPad is looking for this image and then knows to overlay the data that we select, which is all generated in real time.